Hi folks, it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, and I've been meaning to do this one for a while. Basically I wanted to show you guys how you could avoid some problems that I had when I crashed my drone. Basically the motherboard is underneath your battery compartment, and there's not very much protection on there. Here, let me show you what it looks like. So this is where the battery goes, and this is your old battery, and it has this protector thing and has hinges on each corner, which are pretty strong on the drone, but this whole middle thing is just paper. So if you ever crash your drone pretty hard, the battery's going to dig into your resistors and stuff on the motherboard, and it's going to mess it up. So my suggestion was putting something on here, but I thought since I had these on, you could either just take the screws off of here and just put it on there if you want, but mine happened to work out where I could cut the top of it off. You could even cut the back of it off, I think. Let me see. No, you have to leave the back on, because if you don't, it's going to be really flimsy. But if you do it this way, here, let me show you. You can put it on here. Ah, shucks. Okay, there you go. Put it on there. It's still pretty strong, and you can put your batteries in there, just like that. And you have the strap on here too. But that's what I did, and I kind of wish I would have done this earlier before I crashed it, because that really messes up your motherboard. But anyway, you can stick it in more. I just didn't want to do it right now. Let me show you. Get out of here. Just like that. Anyway, I hope this saves somebody's motherboard, and yeah, if you have any questions or anything, I just wanted to do a quick video. Didn't take too much time, so there you go, folks. Have a great day. One last thing, I don't know if I mentioned it, what I used to cut this was a Dremel tool, and that did a pretty nice job. And then I just kind of quick sanded it a little bit. And so yeah, take off the bolts in the bottom, take off the bolts, pop this off, cut it along the edge right here, and sand it a little bit, and screw the bolts back on, and you're ready to go. Anyway, like I said, any questions?